Yeah, we heard somebody shouting at the 122, but it got a little bit rough and tough that go around. 122 gonna say we can't put a 4-1 right back at you.
No doubt about it. Have a great 4th of July. Old doorknob down here in Music City out here in these woods. I'm gone.
Right back at you, doorknob. Right back at you. You rolled in there to receive a loud and proud there, no doubt. You and yours had yourself a good and safe 4th coming on up there, doorknob. 122 kicking it back.
Hey, 122, tell my friend doorknob Buttermilk Maine said happy 4th of July. Hey, 122, tell doorknob Buttermilk Maine said happy 4th of July. I see.
And doorknob, if I'm still in your receive, that old Buttermilk Man wants me to tell you to have yourself a happy 4th of July. A doorknob message has been sent, no doubt. 122, we're back out. Ain't no doubt about it. 73s, doorknob go. Roger, doorknob and Buttermilk Man. He wants me to keep that 5 alive and send it back your way, so we just did. Buttermilk Man, have yourself a good day. And doorknob, doing your thing over here in Maine. 122, we're back out. Bye-bye.
How's the weather up there? Buttermilk Man looking, babe. Alright, honky tonk man, appreciate the radio check, brother. Yo, Buttermilk Man, you're doing a fine damn job yourself. Honky tonk. Buttermilk Man working in New Jersey, so I see. You'll be little Charlie down in the Hoosier.
Uncle Charlie down in the Hoosier State. 122, state of Maine, trying to put the 4-1 your way. They piled on you, Uncle Charlie, but hey, we definitely had you in the receive, so we want to wish you and yours a good evening and a good holiday coming up. Uncle Charlie, 122 Maine, we're waving, bye-bye.